Hey, friend. We are headed to Cabo. So it's gonna be a nice little fun trip. Probably gonna have to do a voiceover.
This is a test of the terminal-wide paging system.
We made it to Cabo. Now we gotta go get our bags and go through customs, I think. Do all that. I'm hungry and I need a mimosa. Now, I don't even do Hennessy, but I'm definitely getting this. Some mezcal. Thank you. Thank you. Now we headed to get our bags. We secured the alcohol. It's chaotic as fuck in here.
Do you want a fish or shrimp? Shrimp?
We get it.
What do you like, honey?
I want to get the mezcalina and 3 the Cabo shrimp. Alright, we got some shrimp tacos. I have a mezcalina. We got ceviche. I don't know if my ceviche cooked, y'all.
Late night or something, and their snacks are all gone.
I don't know if this is any good, but I'm give me some hot sauce.
Let me try one.
You want some ceviche?
I just want to try the shrimp to see if it's cool.
Have an itinerary.
Is it raw? It's raw?
It's getting raw.
Okay. We ain't gonna eat no raw shrimp.
Here, you can have one of my tacos. I'm not gonna eat those.
It's okay.
Oh, here.
I should have known the ceviche.
I'm not gonna eat all of it.
ceviche. The guacamole actually look good. I'm probably gonna get it over. I knew that this wasn't done. You're supposed to make ceviche in advance. I knew.
Yeah, it's supposed to be a little bit more. That's like, baby, that ain't cooked.
This is the beginning.
Yeah.
I just like go to Cabo? Like what? Like what's the deal? Do I just like show up? Like what are we doing? It's like, oh yeah, we're gonna eat off this weekend. And it was like 2 weeks later, and it was basically the same.
Got a taco.
You was in Dubai like 2 seconds ago.
Get down, man. International store, man.
Okay, so we are on the bus headed to the resort. It should be like a 30 to 45 minute drive. So we're gonna enjoy the scenery and drink our drinks. Was able to vlog when I got in. I just showed you guys the room. Anyway, so we're going out tonight. Everybody is wearing like a neon type of color. So I'm wearing this neon dress from Shein. Got my little bag and I have my shoes from, these are my shoes. Oh, I got my shoes from Miss Lola. There's just some clear, like mule heels. But yeah, this is the dress. It's a neon orange, very cute. Got my hair from Unice. This hair is very big. I keep having to put water on it, but it's very big. But yeah, so this is the fits. Yeah, so we are going to dinner tonight, and I will be checking back with you guys in a few hours. Bye. Alright, hello and good morning, good afternoon. So we're on day 2. We're getting ready to go ride ATVs and do some we're getting ready to go ride ATVs. Get some better light. Yes, there she goes. So we're getting ready to go ride ATVs and get food and stuff. So I wanted to just show y'all my outfit. I'm wearing, everything is from Boohoo. I'm wearing this one shoulder top. And where's the light? Okay, boom. So I'm wearing this one shoulder top, and I had this outfit in my boyfriend rates my outfit video. So yeah, it's just a one shoulder, some shorts, and then I'm wearing just some tennis shoes. And I'm taking my beach bag that you guys can find on my website. My scent today is Givenchy Irresistible. So yeah, I gotta hurry up and go because I'm running late. But yeah, so I will be I will be showing you guys us doing ATVs. Bye.
It's not giving that in. Right, it's negativity. Right. You don't feel good, dude.
Right. Just burped in my mask.
Baby, you get more than I give. Any given day.
Hey y'all, we getting ready to get on the ATVs. Birthday girl.
Voucher, and you sign right here, please. Right here. That's it. And whatever you want, you can bring. You can take here.
What you told? I'm gonna just come back to you when I want my next
okay,
one.
lady. I wanna wait for you.
Okay. Thank you. I got the cactus passion mojito. And then I ordered. Yeah, you want that?
I'm gonna get Misha one. Can we order one of these?
Huh?
I'll order that.
I got this one from, I don't know that.
Do you have this?
You have the,
No,
No?
you can buy that one and the snack
you said the
box.
other one.
Basura.
Yeah.
You want a drink?
You're vlogging, lady?
Yes. Cheers.
You have channel YouTube?
I do have a YouTube channel.
How many?
Alright, y'all. I am back. Okay, so we went to ride ATVs, right? They told us we couldn't take our phone, we couldn't do anything. So I recorded a little bit of like the outside, but where the ATVs were, it was like camel riding, horseback riding, whale watching, all that stuff. First things first, it's like we waited almost 2 hours just to do the ATVs. ATVs was fun. When we got done, like going to like our destination, we took photos with like the camels. We did a pit stop, got drinks, got like water and stuff. And then when we was on our way back, baby, I thought I was Speedy Gonzalez. I thought I was Mrs. Mario Kart. Y'all, why did I run my ATV into a tree? I am bruised up. I lost 2 nails on, mind you, I just bought this set. I lost 2 nails on this one. I lost 1. And now I'm thinking I'm supposed to be recording content, taking photos. Now I'm missing 3 nails. My arm is scratched up, as you can see. My chest, look at this, y'all. Look at this. Like, maybe I should have put a trigger warning, because this shit is graphic as fuck. Thank God. So they give you like a helmet, they had the shield. Thank God I had the shield on, because y'all, if I did not have this helmet or this shield on, I probably would have been in the hospital. I'm okay. Like, I'm not hurt, but it's the shock factor that I literally ran into a fucking tree. So when we was going back, I was trying to go fast. And this is a lesson. Stay in your lane. Stay in your lane. Mind your business. Don't worry about what other people are doing. Everybody was going fast. So I was like, I'm going to go a little bit faster. You know, this time, I'm going to try to be a little bit fearless. You know, I'm gonna just be, because normally I'm very cautious when it comes to like driving. I'm very like, I'll go a little bit fast, but I ain't gonna do the most. And this is just another reaffirming of, you don't need to do the most every single time, y'all. So the road, it was like dirt or whatever, it was splitting, and there was a little like it wasn't like a rock, it was just like a little hump in the road or whatever. So I was losing control of the ATV, and I clipped the little hump that was in the road, and I couldn't stop it, and I just ran it into a tree so it could stop. And the tree was like, deserty vibe. So it wasn't like no branches or nothing on the tree. It was just like sticks. So I think I have had a moment like this, but I never had a moment that it was this intense. I literally saw my life flash before my eyes. I closed my eyes, but then I was pushing myself back because I didn't want to go, like, I didn't want my body to go more into the trees and stuff, into the branches. But y'all, look at my arm. Look at my shoulder. I don't know if my camera can focus. But this, y'all, how am I supposed to take photos, do my content when I'm looking like Mrs. Scar? Look at this. I don't know if y'all can see it, but baby, bruised up. My lashes when we were first doing our first little thing before we was coming back, I didn't have my mask pulled all the way down, so dust all in my lashes. And these were my going out. I had 2 pairs of lashes, like my day lashes and my night lashes. I wore my night lashes because the day ones were just not giving. I wanted to give a little pizzazz. So I wearing my little night lashes. Y'all, my lashes are fucking ruined. This is why I'm the type of person, when I go out of the country, when I go like, especially like to Mexico or something, I do water excursions. Yeah, it was good to do ATVs just to like say you did it. But baby, I will never be on an ATV ever again. Absolutely not. I might do it with my boyfriend because he's never done ATVs. So one more time I might do ATVs. But I'm not gonna be fast. I'm not gonna act like I miss Mario Kart. No. So we got a dinner to go to at 6, and guess what time it is, y'all? like 4 something. No, probably 5. Let me look at my phone. Where's my phone? 5:15. So I have 45, literally probably 40 minutes to try to get ready. But I didn't hit my head, but I'm kind of scared to go to sleep. I'm just kind of a little paranoid. But y'all, that shit was very... And then somebody else in our group, another man, he got into an accident. Hold on one second. They are lit. It's so lit right now. I'm not going all the way out because I'm not going all the way out because I'm playing. I am staying inside because I'm not feeling good. So I'm about to just chill in the room, and I'm probably about to go to sleep. I'm so tired. Since that whole, since I fell off the thing, I've been really tired. So I need to, you know, put myself together, get my energy up for tomorrow, because tomorrow's gonna be a full day of like beach. Probably go to a party, probably go to a hookah bar, probably do some sightseeing around the resort. But yeah, I gotta freshen up, get myself together, because tomorrow is gonna be lit. All right, good night, bye. Good morning. Good morning, beautiful people. So it is like 8:50 right now. I woke up kind of early because I wanted to do some content, like take some photos, do some reels, TikToks and all that. So I am up, about to get dressed. I slept pretty okay last night. I was in a lot of pain. I have a bruise on my leg too, like right here. This is my arm today, my chest. Yeah, so I am going to drink some water and hydrate because tonight we getting lit. Tonight is like the night that it's gonna be lit. So I'm gonna start hydrating myself right now, getting myself together, doing my makeup, doing my hair, redoing my hair for the day. So it's kind of chill right now. Yeah, so it's kind of chill right now, but yeah. So I'm about to get dressed. I'm about to do my hair first, then do my makeup, and then get dressed, and that's gonna be that. All right, bye. All right, so I wanted to show you guys my bathing suit that I got from Amazon. We all had to wear purple bathing suits. So, per the birthday girl. So I wanted to show you guys. This is my bathing suit from Amazon. Yes. My earrings. I made my earrings. Same beat from this morning. We took some photos, did some content. Hey y'all. So yeah, so we're gonna go down to the pool and get it popping. Get it popping. So We're leaving. Yesterday we did a day party and I passed out, so I didn't even go to dinner. So yeah, I had a really good time. I gotta rush and do this because we're leaving now. We're late, but we're getting ready to leave. It was fun. We took photos today. We did content. We took like some cute photos by the beach, all that fun stuff. So, trying to scarf some food down. But yeah. I'm really mad I missed dinner last night because they said they had lobster. So, I'm a little upset about that. But yeah, I had a ball yesterday. We were supposed to go to like a hookah lounge, but I got dressed and fell asleep. Like, girl. I mean, I can't do both. I can't do day drinking and going out, so it was what it was. Okay. So yeah, so we're about to leave now. Head back to good old California. California. This is very chaotic, y'all. Sorry, and I got me a pina colada. All right. Okay, hey y'all, I am back, and I wanted to just go ahead and close out the vlog because I realized that I didn't. So when we were traveling back, we went to STK and just got some food. Boarded our flight. We had a pretty nice flight, and when we got back, we went through like the whole customs process. That was fairly smooth, no worries about that. We had brought like some alcohol and some souvenirs back, so that was pretty fun. But overall, I had a really good time on the trip. I went, so it was my best friend's birthday, so I went with some girls that I didn't know. I only knew my friend that was on the trip, but overall it was really good. It was my first time experiencing that, so I'm glad I did. All the girls were nice. All the outfits that we wore, some of the days we wore like matching color outfits, so that was really cute. And the ATV thing, if y'all have some recommendations for products for scarring, please let me know because I am all scarred up. But other than that, I had a really good time. Like, the resort that we were at was really nice. It was all inclusive, so food, drinks, all that were all included, and I had a really good view. And yeah, it was a nice trip overall. So thank you guys for tuning in again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because I'm going to be bringing you more videos every week. I don't really have a schedule yet, but I'm going to try to get one develop. But I want to give you guys more vlogs, more like my beauty lifestyle, all that good stuff. So yeah, closing out this vlog. Thank you again, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.